talo like king nakisayakuntle a ke re kwena o šetšeng wa lona kwena o šetšeng o robetše felo wa tšhaba guys phone ya ka ke boza. I'm telling you, I just cleaned it with a lens cleaner. Wow, what I can say, it's wow. I'm shooting from a front camera. Yo, I love this. I must buy a lens cleaner. I was cleaning my spectacles. I didn't know. I saw someone saying on YouTube, hore u clean a phone ya hae ka lens cleaner. So I tried it. Look at this. Wow. Hey ban. And here fella. This is the lens cleaner that I'm talking about. Let me show you the back camera. Lens cleaner. I don't know where my husband got this, but what I can say, it is working. Go and try it. Maybe this Dibrele, you can find it, because this one they just gave it to him when he was collecting his spectacles, because you see in this house already for you must respect us, okay? You have to pay money to see us. We have to pay money to see you, okay? I don't know, whatever that they say. They say respect people who are wearing the brele, because they pay money just to see you. Wow. Let's start this vlog. Today the date is 28 April 2026. I'm starting this vlog on a Tuesday. Re tla bona hore e re latlha kae. Ke le rata ka lerato la love, you know. Hello, hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who don't know me, my name is Mahawara/Mahwai. Anytime that you are going to come across this video, I greet you in the name of God. I love you, my old subbies, and welcome my new subbies. Okay, let's go. Hello, hey, hi guys. Cook with me dinner today. The date is 29 of April 2026. Hello, hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who don't know me, my name is Mahawara/Mahwai. Hello, hey, hi, welcome back to my channel. Anytime that you are going to come across this video, I greet you in the name of God. Those who don't know me, my name is Mahawaga Sawadi / Mahwai. Anyone can ask, or why is it / Mahwai? Is because my husband decided to do the right thing by paying lobola money to the Sawadi family. Boo, 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 boo. To my old son, thank you so much. I really appreciate your effort. I can see your likes and the views are growing. To you, my new subbies, sit down and relax. We're going to enjoy in this channel. You might as well hit that subscribe button. Today the date is 29 of April. Guys, we are going to get paid. Yes, we're gonna get paid tonight. It's the 29th of April 2026. I'm happy because I'm getting paid. Yes. I'm gonna cook with you today, guys. I'm going to cook goat meat, spinach and pap. The spinach, I got it from my garden, and then the goat meat. So yeah, let's start. I will take you through with me. Thank you, guys. Labona asibay phaphi and nagenyaka, guys. I'm cutting the meat all over. I need this today. Hawaii papa. What should I do? This knife. If it uncut knife, oh. You see, I just cut this one for today only. This thing needs an egg. Nyaka slab, guys. So kulegi duma today, gar. Hey. Koncha di tapa mula. This one's from my backyard. Green pepper. Also going in the goat meat. I don't know what happened to this video camera. I don't know where I pressed. I hope it does the right thing. Today is the second day of my vlog. Let's pray. God bless our food before we eat in.
Get it when they need it, in the quality and quantity that they require. And as I let you go, what about the issue of maintenance? Because, well, especially when on the back foot, when there's been so much noise and problems, people have been experiencing the problems that Brixton and surrounding areas have been experiencing what they have experienced. And there's always an assumption that the problem has now been.
Hello, hey, hi. Welcome back to yet another day of this vlog. Going to Mall of the North. The date is 30 April 2026. I think I'm gonna close this vlog today, if I'm not mistaken. I will see, because you know me, I don't want long vlogs. I think today is gonna be the last day of vlogging. I'm taking this baby to car wash, and I have some few errands to run. So yeah, let's go. What's going on? Lens clean. Akile jean eh kira akile the cat box said you wanna today. Phone you can see today dear on. I fear because azanga ka dijo cha bona. What if maybe adi sharp? Dio zero. Balta zaga. Abari dore bana ka kwale ya ka ko. Garbar it is called the Sana. We are bandala a car wash. Yo.
Coffee.
Latte.
What is that?
Okay, 2 for 160. Tan. Now we are going home from the mall. Yes, guys. So yeah, I didn't show you my grocery from game and food lovers. I was running late, guys. I don't know if you can hear me because this husband here, this hand here, he doesn't like closing windows. So yeah, this is how I remind him to close the window. Don't mind my hair. Today I just felt like being natural. La biche du week. Le chepisi yaka. Let's go mind. The whole winter I won't buy milk. 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Go special and go 3 and we go food lovers 45 rand. I already fit again document 40 rand 3. This one's from food lovers 45 rand 122. Eight. It's 8. Give me Pepsi. 100 rand for 8. Brown rice. Chicken lovers. Extra because already we buy a lot of bread Then we put it in the freezer. 2 white, 2 brown. And then tissue, not too much. Soft. You know, the other day I was bloated. I didn't have, melek. 6. 2 for 160. 3 kg. 3 kgs. 2 for 160. This one's sesame storage following 3 for 110. Meat already changed in chicken in pieces. And some 2 for how much? Southbowl 54 or something. And then some yogurt, some soap. There's another soap. Oh, this one's also. I don't have space. This one's the religion for my boy. 8 tomato pastes. Hello, guys. Tomato paste. Sawubona. And some banana. So let's go wide camera. So I didn't change the box. So. This is for my hair because finally afro yaka sometimes ina yaba buthata kapalla we controller. I got this pepper. I want to grow this in my yard. As you know that I'm a farmer. Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much, guys.